Okay, I'm George Everett, my son Linwood Everett, grandson Robert Everett. We just brought a bunch of our tractors over here to the tractor show today at Rouse Loop Road, and we just proud of all of them. We hadn't got all of them over here, but we got right many of them. We got anywhere from F20s to F30 Farmalls and M's, MTAs, 300s, all different sizes. Right, we got the 56 series. We got them from the 656 all the way to the 1456 series, and then we got this 100 Farmall sitting over here was my wife's mother's tractor, and she inherited it and she gave it to my son, and we took it in the shop and completely disassembled the tractor, put all new seals, rebuilt the engine in it, the little hydraulic lift and brakes, everything about it was completely took apart, and all new seals and everything put in this tractor. And we are mighty proud of that tractor. And Linwood said there wasn't nothing by that tractor unless he had a child that was on his deathbed. That's how much he thinks of that tractor, and we're all proud of it. And I've been all over the tractor that I'm leaning up against. I went to Oklahoma City and picked that one up. And the F20 and 30, I went to Vail, Colorado, and picked those up from out in Colorado. And I got one that I went to Milwaukee, Wisconsin and got it. And I just can't remember all the places that I did go. Winchester, Tennessee, and just been everywhere looking them and picking them up, what we got here. And my son would see them on the internet, and we bought one or two off of that one. And this 400 over here beside of me, he had got hurt October the 8th of this year, a year ago. He got his leg crushed in the shop, and I had to quit on my tractors and go help my grandson. And I had that one delivered to me, but the rest of them I went and picked them up myself. And we got one over here that beside us here that's M Farmall, and the man sold it to me for $300, and it had a broke crankshaft in it. And I decided I was going to put a V8 motor in it, and I just wanted to see if we could do it, and we did. And we got it running good, but we have not got it the sheet metal finished on it, and we're working on that. Since Linwood's getting better with us, when are we going to finish it and paint it and have it ready for next year? And we feel good about that tractor. It's been a lot of hard work. I've done a lot, and Linwood has. And J. Harold that works with us, he's helped us a lot, and he's got a lot of time in it too. And we're real proud of it when we get it painted up and all.
Most of all, my son has took care of the crops, so we'd have money to spend on the tractor.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. And
that's the way it's supposed to be?
Yes, sir. Okay, we back again on this tractor, and this is my son, grandson, great-grandson, and I got it mixed up. This is the 5th generation with Isaac Earl, and we're just proud to have him with us. We don't know nothing no special than he is to all of us. And I bought a 430 John Deere tractor before he was ever born, and me and his granddaddy and his daddy fixed it up and painted it and put it in the shop. It's got his name on it, and when he gets old enough, we're going to let him drive it. But it's been sitting there with his name on it for probably 6 months before he was born. And we're proud of that, but we ain't proud of the John Deere, but we are. we accepted it. But anyway, we're just proud of all that we have got, what the Lord has blessed us with, all of them, and we're just thankful for all of it. Thank you very much.